What's up, BitConnect? Cheers. What the fuck is bakey, Skalsek? 3 times. Bakey, bakey, bakey. Oh, 2 times, sorry, this guy. Wow. I'm not sure what the Twitter terms of service states, so for who's concerned, this is totally apple juice. Or some other kind of non-alcoholic beverage. Ah. Or piss. Wow, Rastamouse already not safe for work. We are literally less than a minute into my face going on the screen and you're talking about piss. Foamy apple juice. Yep, very foamy apple juice. I'm gonna go quickly into the live stream. Notice that a certain somebody already pushed a release like 6 hours ago. So either somebody set me up for failure, added a bunch of crap, or he fixed something. He set me up for good. Flangvik is drinking angry juice. I think in Norway we used to tell the kids that this is like a grown-up soda or something, like grown-up soda. Probably translates well better, way better in Norwegian. Let's see the documentation. Wait, where's the release compare changes? Secure storage, remove neck. Create webhook. Is this so? Full disclosure, I actually tested the external C2 example like a couple of days ago, and as soon as I ran a command, I think it was ls, it just crashed. So I'm wondering if this is a fix for that, Rasta, or if it's something else. It seems to be like GUI related webhooks. Oh, you had the JSON property ID. Okay, that explains the should be better, he says. Okay, so this is going to be depending on how hydrated I get on my foamy apple juice. This is going to be a quick stream because I am getting people over in the house and we're going to get some drinks and eat some good food. So I do have to rush this a little bit. Initially, I intended this to be a long stream, but it's going to be a quicker one, he says. But what I'm looking to do is to first just show off SharpC2. I know he got that new GUI going where it's like a Windows application you run and then it connects to it. It's called Maui something. I know exactly zero about Maui. Oh, I'm gonna burp like this the whole stream. That's the downside of the bear. But yeah. Actually, I'm going to. No, my AirPods are not here. Okay, cool. So let me just. I want to hear some music. So, hey, Vated in the chat. What's up? So first of all, I think I want to give a huge shout out to 0 Point Security. If you're thinking about getting a couple of security certifications, please take a look at the service offering and courses provided by 0 Point Security, which is Rastamouse basically. It's his company. He creates these amazing courses. I myself do have the Certified Red Team Operator certificate, which was certification, which was an awesome course and an awesome lab and exam. I think the practical approach to the course material is what separates this from a lot of other courses, and this is like a no bullshit, not super expensive, just straight to the actual factual information kind of thing. So I totally recommend it. If you're going to use it, use my affiliate link below. So if you're watching this on YouTube, go down in the description and there's going to be an affiliate link for all of the courses. Consider using that if you're buying one of these courses. So I guess full disclosure, I get like a 10% kickback or whatever for all the courses you buy. But I recommended this way before the affiliate program ever existed. Like the first couple of streams, I have been like day one. I've always been, yeah. Now I get one Now I get 1%. Now Rasta heard it, but I don't think I get 10%. Maybe I'm lying. Boo. Okay, so SharpC2. Go to Rasta, SharpC2. The documentations are going to be on read the docs.io. Pretty well documented. We are going to be taking a look at the external C2 implementation, which is something you need to type with the space. Which is something that Cobalt Strike first implemented in order for you to wrap your custom sort of communications controller layer around your beacon. So the way, and this is essentially exactly the same. And it's not, it may sound complicated initially, but it's not that complicated. So what you have your team server. So let's talk about the Cobalt Strike implementation, because this is essentially that, just with reflective C# instead of injecting shellcode. So in the Cobalt Strike specification or implementation, you have the Cobalt Strike team server, and then you have a beacon you would like to deploy. Instead of delivering the beacon as is or just injecting it into memory, you establish a custom C2 communication protocol back to your custom controller, which communicates with the team server on host. So I have a server in the cloud, a Linux machine, Cobalt Strike team server is running, my custom controller software is running. Those are communicating with each other using just TCP socket connections. I'm having a hard time keeping it together with all this fucking Raid Shadow Legends and NordVPN. And then you have your client layer who communicates with the controller layer and basically talks back, gets the beacon, and then deploys that into memory, communicates with the beacon on the target host, typically through name pipes, and then you have sort of a custom controller layer, so or a custom C2 layer. So we're going to be looking at that implementation, and I know that, and I know that Rasamaz actually includes a full both client and controller example, which we'll be taking major advantage of. And then we're going to actually be implementing our custom C2 channel using Office 365. I want to do a cheeky one where I constantly update the avatar of the user that I'm abusing sort of to send the traffic. So we're gonna make it really quick and dirty. I'm gonna hard code in the token for this example. It's gonna reach out and change the picture, the avatar of that user, probably use some sort of Stego open source library to inject the data, and then communicate back with the controller layer. That's at least the goal, and we'll see how far we get before stuff starts breaking. I'm gonna burp so much. Drinking beer fast like this, I'm gonna burp like the entire... This could be a drinking game. Every time I burp, somebody has to take a shot. You would literally be dead. Rasta Mouse, 100%. This is gonna be so quick and dirty, it's gonna be done in one stream. Famous last words. Let's start off by cloning down or just getting down the source code. Client for Windows and the team server. I do think the client, so again, I haven't played much with the new graphical user interface, but obviously it's a bit of a pain that you have to install that certificate and stuff. I mean, yeah, but you can defend it, but it's a SharpC2, so everything's in C#, so it makes sense, right? So let's open a new PowerShell window. I probably need to turn off Defender. I didn't think about that. Let's see. So I just cloned the client, which is just the GUI interface connecting to the team server. I'm going to get that installed. I'm pretty sure I'm going to type install, and then it's going to complain about obviously scripting be disabled. Install, let's try that again. Do run once. Of course, I want to run whatever he gave me. Why not? Yes, I want to ensure. Oh, I want to install this digital certificate. There we go, installed. So now I should be able to find SharpC2. There we go, that's the GUI app installed. Done. Can I still run the team server on the Windows machine, Rasta, or would you highly recommend me running it off a Linux instance? I kind of just want to run it off my Windows machine here for demo purposes. Of course I don't have Git. Pro tip, knee night. Fuck no, not touching a Mac 2 M2. I have a... Now I search knee night on knee night. I'm already drunk. This is gonna be amazing, guys. Content. Don't have Git. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just .NET run the source. I'm so terrified of malvertising campaign these days. So I like constantly check the certificates of the stuff I'm installing. Not that people couldn't switch it out and forge or then... Okay, it's signed April 18th. We'll take it. Take it. It's signed at least. That's good enough. Must be safe. Signed. Speedrunning C2. And this is gonna be so awkward when my real life friends starts knocking on the door and wants me to come up, and I'm like, sorry, I gotta stream. Yeah, I have friends. I know that's a bold statement. Nobody's gonna believe me. His friends. Yeah. I'm thinking .NET Publisher, just .NET Run. Everybody like, he has friends. You guys hyped though? I'm so fucking excited to be accepted to speak at Troopers. Olaf Hartung, shout out Falconsec. Oh my god, did I fuck it up? Falconsec, right? Falcon Force, fuck! Olaf Hartung, Falcon Force team, when we were in Vegas, he could not stop talking about how good of a conference Troopers were. I think he spoke at Troopers last year. So I just had to send a call for paper and they magically accepted me. So I'm super stoked to be going to Troopers. Also super stoked to be going to that Polish conference at the end of May that I can't pronounce. Olaf would kill me, yes. How do you pronounce it? Last stream, I think I said BeefCon. How do you pronounce that? X33Con? Like, I want to say beef. Seef? Pronounced SeefCon? Cool. Troopers has 10,000 runs as well. I can do 10 of those. Well, I'm not running anything. I'm running executables, not running. So let's go into the team server. That's .NET. I want to just do .NET Run and see how hard it crashes. I probably have to. Let's open it first. See what the jazz is about. Might have to open it and fetch them. Oh, now it's the package stuff. This isn't in the documentation, Rasta. Shame. Let's see. Did he update the documentations for the installations about using his custom NuGet repository? He probably did. He probably cheated on... No, he didn't. Gotcha. So Rastavaus has his own NuGet packages for some of the deinvoke and deinmerge stuff. And you have to manually add that to your NuGet thingy or your NuGet repositories. So it's going to be this NuGet repository right here. It's under codeoffensive.net, and then add index to NuGet. How do I add it? Add repo to NuGet. Add repository NuGet. There we go. .NET ag source. I'm googling offhand here, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're just gonna do like that. I don't think we need to be an admin at all. Here we go. Add it, and then we might be able to build it. Let's see, or run it. Oh, okay, lol. Let's try again. Visual Studio, always. We caught him. It is what it is. Jesus, is everybody an admin except me? I mean, giving scales like admin, that would be, yeah. I'm not sure what the risk-reward ratio for that is. Pretty sure the risk is really high and the reward. Just gonna be Skullsack and Rastamouse constantly blocking each other in the chat. And somebody has already arrived, so cool. Oh, I'm freaking out now. It's fine. Let's get into team server and then try a publish thingy. I'm just gonna cheat and copy the exact commanderino Rastamouse on the sidelines here feeding me what I need, and I'm expecting to get something going. I haven't even set the thing up yet. Does not look paper. Okay, let's do clean and rebuild. Why are you complaining? I have this. I have this. Okay, let's fucking delete it. Let's go back out. Oops. Oh, threat found. Okay, I might need to get Defender disabled. Just install all the stuffs. Yes, I want to disable you. And this is gonna enable itself really quick, isn't it? I think it is. Let's add an exclusion folder then for desktop. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be a two-parter. Already feeling this is gonna be a two-parting. Nimplant will be running by now. Fair. It probably was running by the time. Let's add that resource again. Has already been added, that's fine. Let's give clone SharpC2. Give clone SharpC2. And then .NET. Oh, let's do CD theme server. Okay, ASP.NET Core. Okay, that's my fault. I take full responsibility for that. I'm probably missing the SDK. ASP.NET SDK. Yes. So this is probably going to be a dedicated troubleshooting stream. I don't want either of these. I want ASP.NET. All net versions. Out of the port. They just fucking killed everything. I think I have that installed. Let's just do... Is that fine? If this doesn't work, I might just pull the team server off my machine because it compiled fine on my machine earlier. Okay, it's net 7. Maybe I don't have net 7 then. Let's try. Doesn't net 7 come with fucking 11? You would assume. Maybe not the SDK. That makes sense. Let's try this again. Yeah, nothing has changed. This is gonna be 1 hour. We're like 20 minutes in. And I haven't even written a single line of code yet. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those streams. I can feel it. It's fine though. It's fine. Well, I mean, if I don't know if net 7 is included on Windows 11. I mean the new, yeah, you just, yeah. Somebody followed. Wow. Mathuemda. Thank you. Pretty much. I'm super excited for SeafCon though. SeafCon's gonna be great. They have an amazing lineup. They have, I think they have Durkan, Dr. Asher. They have Secure the Shit. They have Marcelo. They have so many good speakers. And they don't have Skelsec, which is the best part. Skelsec isn't speaking. Literally why I'm attending. Wait, am I reading YouTube? Yes, I am reading YouTube chat. Somebody sent something. Sorted. Oh my god, Rastamouse got my back. Somebody's writing something on YouTube and I don't think I can see this. I can't... I see it on the stream, but I don't see it on my side. Oh my god, he fixed it for me. Hey, thank you so much. Appreciate that, Hans. So I'm just running random binaries from Rastamouse now. Is that the stage we're at? Yep, that's where we're at. I'm gonna keep it. Just running random binaries of the rest of us now. Talk about customer service. Because I'm a Twitch god. So it's gonna ask us for IP, so let's just bind to this machine IP, which is 192.168.2.129, and wait, no. I think we want to use 137. I think we want to use 137. Probably doesn't matter, we're probably just gonna be running on the same machine. And our password, ScaleSec is salty. That's the password. And then we're gonna connect to it. Yes, allow firewall. Yes, yes. Beacon checked in. Flungvik stream PC. Pretty much. Wouldn't amaze me though if he managed to bind in something with that so quick. Except, oh my god, we're in. Okay, so now comes the external C2 stuff. So the first thing you gotta do is go to handlers. External, add a new external handler. We're gonna bind it to port 1337. So external C2. And then firewall isn't going to ask me because I already have the bind, sure. Then we're going to go to, I want to show you how it's just the basic configuration of it. So the demo client is going to connect to our custom communication channel. And then the demo controller is going to connect to our team server and sort of host the listener or whatever for the custom communication channel. So default, the example just opens a TCP connection on port 999 listening, and then you have to give the IP 999 for the demo client. So let's just start off by trying that. I'm going to unload the team server project because that is giving me so much crap right now. Fuck that. Client, I don't think I need that either. Let's clean and let's rebuild and see if we can build. Why am I getting 7 errors? To resolve the developer. Oh, I don't have SDK for net framework. Wow, that's an issue, I would say. This is why you check out stuff in advanced. Download net framework. Do they even host that anymore? I don't need 3.5. I need 4.5 or 4.8. 4.8. Dev pack. Yes. Yes. GIF. You can just add the workload in Visual Studio. Oh yeah, I can. You're right. You could just go to the control panel and attempt to uninstall it and then be like, hey, I want to install more stuff. You're totally correct, Rasta. Why you don't like ScaleSec so much? He's a horrible person. Wowza. No, I love ScaleSec. We have a really on and off relationship. He calls me in the middle of the night and does a demo, and then I give him feature suggestions, and then he flips telling me that's a stupid suggestion. And then he does that pretty much every month for like a year, and that's just how it is. Are you, oh, this is a hard one. Are you a software developer? What do I click, people? I gotta screenshot this. What the fuck? Oh, I know, my virtual desktop. Ooh. What the fuck do I click here, people? No, yes, I'm gonna go for no. Thank you for sharing your feedback. Okay. Whatever that was about. Let's clean this out again. And why are you such a... I don't have... Yes, let's change to 472. If that is what it takes. If that is the only thing that apparently comes pre-installed on this machine. External C2.net, that's net standard, right? It doesn't have net standard? Oh, this is a nightmare. I legitimately downloaded a developer image from Microsoft and this is what they give me. Okay, now it's complaining about the DN merge stuff. That's fine. Stagers, fuck that. Unload that. Unload that. Don't need no stagers. Net, I don't have net standard? Seriously? What the fuck, Microsoft? I download a developer image and this is what you give me. Okay, let's install all this stuff using control panel. Jesus Christ. You're a nightmare, lol. Ooh. Change. Yeah. I want to change some stuff. I want the .NET stuff, please. Thank you. This? No, that's... Okay, there we go. Net framework, thank you. I should give me all the crap, please. Yes, 8.1 development tools, thank you. This, thank you. Modify. Yes. I don't think I can see the YouTube stuff. 40 gigabytes of shit. Yeah. And now we wait. This is the life of a C# dev. Sharp, the API. I'm guessing you referenced the API. Can I download it? Okay, fine. Let's hope this works. I basically unloaded everything. I think the only external reference these two need is the external C2s. I think that's fine. Yes, Flying Week stream turns into live streaming a progress bar. Literally. Good definition. 10 out of 10 would watch again. Oh, I'm dumb. Never mind. Demo client. Okay. So you have to run the C2 first. So the demo controller, go to bin, go to blah, blah, and then we run it and we connect to localhost and port 1337, and then we connect to client, demo client, localhost, and then this is 999. Yes. See? Hey, it works. Something worked. We're off to a great start. 30 minutes in. Literally what I needed to start off with. Let's see if he fixed the stuff. Let's do ls. I'm not sure what I'm running. Yes, of course. Flying Week will be allied, not worth it today. Now we install .NET SDK. Yep. Welcome back to how to install .NET SDK. Scale sec is salty. Yes. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's alive. It's seen 15 seconds ago, so it's probably not alive. It's probably dead. Something's wrong. I'm guessing if I rerun it, it's gonna be like new thing. Yes, cool. Cool. So I'm just gonna kill it, and then we're gonna start looking to implement something new. Okay, so first I need to capture the network traffic in order to reproduce it. So I'm gonna fire up burp, and then no joke, I'm gonna tell you this in confidence. I learned that burp has a built-in browser like last week. I did not know about the open browser feature. I have been installing certificates like an idiot and running browser or Firefox for the last like years. I did not know there's an open browser thing. Never used, never seen, never touched. Shame on me. Works on my machine. Meh, that's fair. I mean, very few things works on my machine in general. So I'm going to log in to microsoftonline.com. And this is where I'm going to off-screen enable or create an account that I can use for this. That's going to be quick. Don't worry about it. Do you even web pen test, bro? Actually, don't really do that much web pen testing anymore. Or at all, really. So, I guess no. Yeah. Users, active users, add users. We're gonna add a new user called ScaleSec is salty. SaltySec. That's gonna be the username. SaltySec. So I'm gonna. Somebody should make a parody YouTube account. SaltySec. That would be so funny. Somebody created a parody YouTube account of ScaleSec called SaltySec. Aww. Now, you all have to be nice. Don't lock out the account for me. I'm going to show you, or I'm going to try to avoid showing you the account name. But if you really want to, you're probably going to figure out the account name. So be nice. Don't lock out the account. Thank you very much. So I'm going to remove the premium license, manage product license from this guy. There we go. And then I'm going to give it to this guy. Back. Next. Okay, it's fine. I'm locking out the account now. Yeah, I mean, what did I expect? You can't bully ScaleSec and then expect him to act nice afterwards. What do you mean you have to give these out manually? That's so dumb. Do I have a another business basic account? Really? Do I have to buy a new account? Buy a new license? Really? These licenses do not need to be individually. Okay, give me a second. I can't take that license away from that other account. So, buying a license we are. Give me a second. Ah. So now. Welcome back to giving Microsoft your money. Isn't there some automatic way to enter MFA token? Nope. Bad client, sit. Well, actually there is. I mean, OnePass has this really good MFA integration. That has to be said. Where the fuck do I buy another product? Business basic. Check your Discord name, ScaleSec. Oh my god, he did it. Okay, I'm gonna try to log in. I think I can log in even though I don't have a... I'm gonna go away for a second here, just... No need to leak nothing. Only can log in. Okay, history, let's clear it. Everyone buy RTO with Flying Wings affiliate so you can afford it. Oh, totally didn't see through that one. Yeah, yes. I want to use this for greater good. Oh. Yes. Yeah, we're not even... We're maybe gonna reverse like some API calls, we'll see. Why can't I edit someone? What? I can't edit my own... I can't change my own profile picture? Really? Really? I can't change my own profile pictures because I don't have a license? That was the whole thing I was gonna do. I was gonna change my own profile picture and use that as a C2. Are we really using OneDrive then? Well, if we are using OneDrive, I'm gonna cheat really hard. No, we need a license. Give me a second. Jesus Christ. Welcome back to Troubleshooting 101. What to do when 40 people are watching you troubleshoot something live. You keep at it. That's what you do. Outplayed. Marketplace. Is this where I buy the thing? Yes, all products. Yes, business basic, business basic, basic. Full features. Avatar is worth the licensing costs. Microsoft 365. Business basics. Great. Business basic month. Buy. Cool. Take my money. Whatever. I don't care. I don't even have that MasterCard anymore. Do you guys really enjoy the pain me through going in this pain so much? You have to. You guys have to get a kick out of this. That's the only reason I can think about anybody staying here for more than a minute. Me drinking out of my empty apple juice thing. Oh, it's so warm. Rasta Mouse, I enjoyed your pain. Well, somebody gotta do it. Right? It's not like I could have chosen not to do this and just not make a fool of myself every Sunday. There we go, business. No, I'm not out of... My internet must be bad, we kept freezing. I am actually uploading at a really high bitrate. OneDrive, API, C#, GitHub. Ah, well, froze for me too. Okay, am I back? Am I back? It's the Visual Studio done. This one. Let's use this. We're gonna use this. And then... yeah. We're gonna use a refresh token and cheat, and that's fine. Cool. Does this guy have a SDK for this? Client. So let's add that to new package. Yeah, I mean, it's just Rasta Mouse exfiltrating all the data of my stream machine. Don't think about it. It's just Rasta Mouse exfiltrating all the loot. My birthday trip photos. No. Okay, so we're just gonna git clone this and add a reference to it. Let's see if I can even compile it, or Microsoft is gonna be like, no, you can't do this. Continue? Yeah, fuck it, who cares? Is that his demo application? Really? Fuck that. Let's just unload that. Unload, and then we can add a reference to it. Let's see if I can compile it at all. This is probably because I'm messing about in the background. Yeah, Visual Studio closed everything. It's installing dependencies. I recall somebody saying that I wouldn't be able to finish this in this time. You were right. Whoever that was Rasta, right? Shocking. Yeah, there's no one gonna be able to finish this. I'm so hungry. Well, this beacon is still calling back. I guess that's something. Rasta stuff is still working. Wait, how is it working? Oh yeah, it's on this side, of course. It's just gonna keep it allowed forever. Is it done? No, it's installing now, and it's downloading. So I'm downloading at 35 megabytes a second, and that's probably why I'm falling in and out. Yes, Chromium, do whatever you want. I don't care anymore. Done. Cannot run one set of... Oh god. This is gonna be interesting for sure. Exfiltrate off the stream, please. Yes, yes, I allow access, it's fine. Just get it done, please, yes. I guess we could start to look at that plugin. What the fuck? No, what's this? I don't want to download this. I'm done with that. It's fine. Close browser. Cool. So I think the way we do this is that we create a new application ID, and then we give it our own refresh token, and then we can communicate, and then we can basically upload and download files, and that's what we're going to do. The thing we're going to change is that within, once we get Visual Studio back up, he has, I think he has a generic implementation for sending and receiving messages. So we're just gonna put the writing and reading in there. And then it's gonna be to the same file, and it's gonna be messy and a collision, and we'll see if it works. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's because I'm downloading so much Visual Studio crap. Mastermouse, are you going to Troopers and or ThiefCon? ThiefCon? I never see you at cons. Not that I'm at every con, but how about SteelCon? You gotta go support Brandon. He's speaking. I am doing nothing. Famous Rasta calls. I do nothing. I just look at all my courses, and my courses make me money, and I sit at home and I look at my courses. When's the Rasta course? Rasta? When's the Rust course? When's the Rasta course? One too many apple juice. Yeah, I would love to meet up with the mouse. Once Visual Studio stops installing all this crap, I think we're gonna be able to do this rather quickly. What I can start off by doing is getting a refresh token. I'm going to get that while you guys are not watching, because I don't want to own myself, or you guys don't need to access this account, basically. So I'm gonna sign out, I'm gonna clear the history. That I actually need to capture that for application. Skellsick is not trustworthy. Thinking real hard right now. Do I really want to do it like that? No, I don't. Let's give me a second. Wait, I'm at intermission, so it's fine. Let's see if I can cheat. not seeing what anybody is writing right now. I just need to do this one thing. Let's just run that and then we'll capture it, and then I can replay it, and then I can get that refresh token for that one account. Like that. Boomity boom. There I am. Oh, follow. Thank you so much for the follow, Honors 1813. You gotta. I gave you a Norwegian pronunciation there. Congrats. There we go. So I got the scope, and that scope is for the wrong resource. I need it to be for Microsoft Graph API. Graph.windows.net. Or is it graph.microsoft.com? Ah, it doesn't matter. It's a refresh token with the correct client ID, so it's fine actually. It doesn't matter. Copy this, and I need to copy the client ID, which was this. There we go. Copy this over here. Cool. I got my refresh token now. Now I just need. Visual Studio is done. No, it's not. Can I pause it? If I pause it, can I actually do stuff then? Yes. No, I cannot. Oh my god. Resume. I'll make you reboot next. Wouldn't be surprising, would it? I'm gonna have to redo this anyhow. I'm not happy with the format of this. Continue. Oh please, for the love of God. I guess I can actually code in Visual Studio Code. Let's do that. That's so we can do something at least. Open folder. So let's go into the external C2 and then the demo client first. Let's open that folder. It's going to be like, hey, do you want to trust this author? No, it didn't ask me for that. Yes, there we go. Trust author. Of course I want to. So he creates a new drone controller. Controller read data, and that's the okay. So this is the TCP controller stuff. So we don't really need any of that. Instead, we're going to create ourselves a new class. It's going to be a OneDrive controller. .cs, of course, because we're not in Visual Studio anymore. And then I'm going to copy this. Public. Oops. There we go. Public class. OneDrive controller, and then we're going to have a function called public async. Do we want to do async? Fuck it, let's not do async. Public send data. Probably want to return just a bool if it was successful. Send data. So just do that string data, and then that's going to be the thing. And in the public OneDrive controller, we're just going to have the refresh token and the client ID, and then that's going to use this. So we're going to do a new OneDrive Graph API, and then we're going to use the application ID that I logged in with when I did something off screen, like that. And we're going to do the refresh token, and then use the refresh token. It's actually like this. I don't have to type it in, client ID. And I think that should be fine. And then when we send data, we can do, I'm copying pasting, don't you like it? Oh, you guys can't see anything. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. People were calling and everything. Music too loud? Pro streamer. Okay, then we don't really care about that. Download, and we want to upload a file. So let's upload a file. Oh, do I really have to temp write it? I hope not. I'm gonna do receive data. People are sending me a bunch of messages, probably because turn on the overlay. Yes, I know, Skelsek. Thank you very much. Yes. I think. Oh. Can I run Visual Studio now? Yay! Okay. So I'll give it 10 more minutes and see if we can at least write and read some data. If not, I'm gonna continue next Sunday, because this is just a mess at this point. I've been spending 40 minutes, like me spending 45 minutes debugging isn't the issue, but I have to go soon, and that's the issue. Wait. Okay, so we'll just copy paste this over, add new item. OneDrive controller. We'll add that. If not, I think. Do you want to check if the... No. Yeah, I know it exists, but why isn't it showing up? Add existing file. There we go. Nice. Cool. Let's see if we can find it, the NuGet package now, or if we have to add a reference. Nah, it's fine. I'm gonna drink a lot of apple juice. I'm gonna be really happy. It's gonna be fun. Now I wanna add the reference. Yes. I know you tried to build. I will add the reference to another project. Browse for that project. That's gonna be the OneDrive API project. And pretty sure I could just choose the project file. Yes. Oh, it's add to another project probably. How do you do this again? I've done this. Reference. Share project. There we go. Browse. Sorry about that. I guess we could just reference the DLL as well. The best would be to reference the actual project. Okay. Oh, we happy now? We good? See what happens. Okay, so it's gonna be the DLL done. I swear. No, I could. No, add. I know now. Stop it. Somebody was probably saying it like 10 times. Somebody was probably screaming it while I was doing this. It's obviously add existing project. Boom. There we go. Nice. Now I can reference it. Cool. What? I can't reference it now? Add the reference to share projects, API. There we go. Nice. Yay! Let's use net 4.8. That should be fine. Consumers. It's thinking really hard right now. Apply. Why isn't it applying anything for me? Okay, I have to do it myself then. actually think I can't do it any longer because I hear more people coming. So so I do actually think we have to end it here. That was 45 minutes of troubleshooting, getting .NET SDK up and not having it work. For me then to try to implement 2 functions, and that's literally what we did. The last 5 minutes we got to do something. So Rastamas was right as always, and he's also really correct about his courses. Consider checking out his courses. Honestly, I've been happy to do 1 more hour, but I have to go. Yeah, this is what happens. Everybody should just use Nim, right? Don't you think? Skelsec, as much as it hurts to say this. Okay, I'm listening. Wasn't. Okay, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry for the absolute failure, but it's fine. I gotta go up and drink more apple juice, and then yeah. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I do appreciate it. I am now only 3 years away from the magical 30 number, of which everything just goes downhill. So yeah, if anything, a lesson in preparation. 100%. Microsoft sucks. Fuck them. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I do appreciate it. Failing is the step before winning. Thank you so much, Michelle. Okay, have a great day.